guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Avni Education Classes. So today I'm very excited because we are going to do a GK quiz competition, especially for my lovely students, and if you want to join then you also can. So the rules are very much clear to you, but I will repeat it for you. So for every question we have four options. From that option you have to choose only one correct option, and you have to comment in a comment section. Your answer should be correct and you have to be fast. If you win the match, then you will get the prize from my side. So I will ask the question one by one and you have to be quick. You should give the answer on a time. Let's start it. So first question of the test is, which day is celebrated as World Environment Day? Options are A. 16 May, B. 17 July, C. 5 June, D. 18 December. Second question, who is known as father of Indian Constitution? Option A. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, B. Jawaharlal Nehru, C. Mahatma Gandhi, D. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Third question, Gidda is a folk dance of which state? Option A. Maharashtra, Option B. Gujarat, Option C. Punjab, Option D. Delhi. Fourth question, brain of computer is Option A. Monitor, Option B. Hard disk, Option C. CPU, Option D. Mouse. Question fifth, smallest state of India is Goa, Option B. Kerala, Option C. Uttarakhand, Option D. Delhi. Sixth question, fastest animal on earth is Option A. Dog, Option B. Lion, Option C. Cheetah, Option D. Deer. So guys, you have to answer fast and your answer should be in a comment box. Seventh question, which one is the national tree of India? Option A. Banyan, Option B. Tulsi, Option C. Neem, and Option D. Mango. Eighth question, who wrote the national anthem Jan Gan Man? Option A. Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Option B. Jawaharlal Nehru, Option C. Bankim Chand Chatterjee, Option D. Rabindranath Tagore. Ninth question, which is the capital of Uttarakhand? Option A. Dehradun, Option B. Kashi, Option C. Himachal, and Option D. Shimla. Tenth question, longest river of the world is Option A. Nile, Option B. Pacific Ocean, Option C. Ganga, and Option D. Red Lake. 11th question, largest island of the world is Option A. Greenland, Option B. Australia, Option C. Howard Island, Option D. Karama Island. So सबसे लंबे आइलैंड के बारे में पूछा गया है guys. 12th question, how many days are there in a leap year? Option A. 364, Option B. 366, Option C. 365, and Option D. 367. So we are talking here about the leap year, not a normal year. 13th question, largest desert in the world is Option A. Gobi Desert, Option B. Sahara Desert, Option C. Arabian Desert, and Option D. Great Basin. 14th question, most dense jungle in the world is Option A. Amazon, Option B. Maharashtra, Option C. Congo rainforest, and option D, Tongass National Forest. So we are on a 15 question. Guys, you have to be fast, you have to be quick. So 15 question, which place is known as Tea Garden of India? Option A, Uttarakhand, option B, Sikkim, option C, Assam, and option D, Srinagar. Tea Garden of India. 16 question, what is the boiling point of water? Option A, 150 degree, option B, minus 20 degrees, option C, 0 degrees, and option D, 100 degrees. 17th question, what is the name of first female Indian astronaut? Option A, Kalpana Chawla, option B, Bhavani Patel, option C, Sunita Williams, and option D, Shrisha Bandla. 18th question, how many states does India have right now? So we are talking about the states only. Option A, 28, option B, 26, option C, 29, and option D, 27. 19th question, what is the full form of news? North, east, west, south. Option B, never east, west, south. Option C, never ever want something, and option D, new east, west summary. 20th question, how many layers are there in Earth's atmosphere? Option A, 5, option B, 3, option C, 6, and option D, 4. 21 question, who invented the television? Option A, Graham Bell, option B, Robert Williams, option C, John Logie Baird, and option D, Albert Einstein. So guys, there are 40 questions in this competition. Please give your answer in a comment box so I will get to know your answers quickly. 22nd question, in which continent India lies? Option A, Asia, option B, Europe, option C, Africa, and option D, Antarctica. 23rd question, name the third planet in a solar system. So we are talking about the third planet in our solar system. Option A, Mercury, option B, Venus, option C, Jupiter, and option D, Earth. 24th question, Agra is situated on the bank of which river? Option A, Ganga, option B, Mahanadi, option C, Yamuna, and option D, Saraswati. 25th question, shape of the egg is round, option B, oval, option C, circle, and option D, square. 26th question, which insect has colorful wings? Option A, grasshopper, option B, bees, option C, butterfly, and option D, peacock. Only 4 questions are remaining. 27th question, which organ purify our blood? Option A, lungs, option B, food pipe, option C, nose, and option D, kidney. 28th question, Gateway of India is located at which place? Option A, Mumbai, option B, Agra, option C, Chennai, option D, Delhi. 29th question, what is Sun? Is Sun is a planet? Option B, star, option C, asteroid, and option D, gas. And last question of this video, 30th question, which animal is called the sheep of desert? It's a very simple question. First is giraffe, option B is bear, option C, elephant, and option D, camel. So everyone, we are going to end this video here. I need your answers in a comment section so I will get to know who is a winner and I will personally talk to him or her. Cheers.